I'm Christian Lienhardt, and I am Emeritus Research Director at the French Institute for Research in Sustainable Development. So I've been in TB research for a long time now. I've been conducting various trials and observational studies. And my contribution to UNITE4TB is being part of the Work Package 2, which is the work package responsible for design and statistical analysis of the trials undertaken within UNITE4TB. So I think that's what makes UNITE4TB absolutely unique, is that it follows completely a request which was made very, very clear by the World Health Organization in 2016, where they developed the target regimen profiles, which means what should be the target product profiles for new TB regimens, and under which they stated, WHO stated very, very precisely that the development of a new drug should be taking place within the development of new regimens. It was difficult to separate because in the past history, before the 2010, one drug was being tested amongst on top of the traditional ones, and there was a change of one drug one at a time. So therefore, it was taking a long time to arrive to the best regimen to be used with that drug. And we faced that with bedaquiline and delamanid. They were testing on the top of the standard regimen, and then once approved, we had to find what would be the next regimen, the best regimen to give these drugs. So the WHO made it very clear that drug developers should think regimen when they start. And the beauty of UNITE4TB is that they took it really very seriously. And they immediately seized the importance of testing for the new drug within the context of a TB regimen. So they took it very seriously, and at the time in drug development where it is the most important, that is the phase 2 development phase. That's the first thing. The second is that UNITE4TB is testing this possibility to have what we call the seamless development, where you can go from one stage of the phase 2 trial to the next one. That means from phase 2B to phase 2C. The phase 2B testing for the best regimen, the best combination of drugs, and then the phase 2C testing for the best duration to give the set regimen, which has been found in the phase 2B to be the best one. So that makes sense because we are together, the goal is to obtain together the treatment as a regimen with the right combination and knowledge about what a new drug or a group of drugs can bring to the treatment compared to the standard of care. So far, it's a nice journey. You know, I'm absolutely amazed of the first meeting, which was online because of COVID pandemic. We are something like 20-30. Now here, I understand we are between 120 and 150 persons. So it's expanding. And not only it's expanding in terms of number of people, but also in intensity and interest. We have a lot of young researchers coming in, which is absolutely fabulous because it means the next generation is already starting getting involved and they are prepared for the future, so the future of the TB patients, but the future of research, their own future as well, which is, I think, you know, one of the most important aspects of research. And being an emeritus director of research at my institute, you know, the fact of passing to the younger generation is absolutely essential. So it's a nice journey, very interesting discussions, always vivid in terms of scientific aspects, problems being arising, and but all that is managed in a surprisingly easy fashion. I'm really amazed about how things go smoothly. You know, overall, it goes very well in this fascinating journey.
So let's end together.